How to master poker hand ranges without software. Have you ever wondered how to get a grip on poker hand ranges without relying on software? It might seem challenging, but with the right approach, you can master this fundamental concept. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's clarify what a hand range is. A hand range is the collection of possible hands a player could have in a specific situation. Instead of focusing on one exact hand, you think in terms of a range. This is essential in poker since you often do not know the exact cards your opponent holds. Start by paying close attention to your opponent's actions before the flop. Notice if they fold, call, or raise, and from which position they are acting. For instance, if a player who typically plays tightly raises from an early position, they likely have a narrow range of strong hands. This could include pocket aces, pocket kings, pocket queens, ace-king suited, and possibly pocket jacks. This initial observation gives you a starting point for their range. As the hand progresses through the flop, turn, and river, continue to analyze your opponent's betting patterns. Look at their bet sizes and timing. If they check or do not bet on certain boards, you can eliminate some strong hands from their range. On the other hand, aggressive betting might suggest they have a wider or stronger range. This process of narrowing down their range is ongoing and relies on the specific actions taken during each stage of the hand. Next, it is important to develop your own hand range. Think about the hands you would play in different positions and situations. Consider how your opponents perceive your range. This awareness will help you make better decisions and anticipate how others will react to your actions. To practice visualizing hand ranges, create a mental grid of all possible starting hands. Divide them into suited hands, offsuit hands, and pocket pairs. Familiarize yourself with common opening ranges from various positions and typical responses like 3-bets or calls. To improve your skills without software, review hand histories. Try assigning ranges to your opponents based on their actions during those hands. Discuss your findings with other players and seek feedback on your range assessments. Over time, you will become quicker and more accurate at estimating ranges. Mastering hand ranges without software involves thinking in terms of sets of possible hands instead of just one. Use your opponent's actions and betting patterns to narrow down their ranges. Understand positional tendencies and typical opening ranges. Regularly practice visualizing and estimating ranges while considering how your own range is perceived by others. This approach will help you make more informed decisions and improve your overall poker strategy.